Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to send your antiques shops brochure to potential customers, that is Facebook leads, on WhatsApp automatically. So the idea here is that you own an antique shop store, right? So it can be an online store or offline store, and you have created a Facebook page to connect with your customers, and in that Facebook page you are running Facebook lead ads. Okay, so whenever someone click on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will open up, and whenever someone fill that form, you want to share with them the antiques shop brochure on their WhatsApp account, right? Now to get this done, you have two ways. One is that as and when a new lead is generated, or whenever someone fill the Facebook lead ad form, you are going to manually collect the data of that person, and then you come to WhatsApp and manually compile a message for that person and attach your brochure and send it to WhatsApp account, right? But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of leads on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy. So we have a better way. What if I tell you that as and when a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ad form, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have filled this lead ad form along with the antiques shop brochures of yours, right? And this can happen, guys. And to make this happen, I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications such that whenever a new lead get generated, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the person who have filled this lead ad form along with your antiques shops brochure. And the best part of making this automation, guys, is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see we have this Facebook page for antiques collection, which is our shop. Okay, and here we are running Facebook lead ads. So this is a lead ad we are running. Let me show you. Okay, and with the lead ad we have attached this form and the name of the form is the antiques collection. So whenever someone fills this form, we are going to send him or her the brochure of our shop on the WhatsApp account here, right? So I'll show you. I'll fill this form. The form will look like this. Okay, so this is our lead ad form here. So when someone fills this form, he is going to receive this receive the brochure on the WhatsApp account. So let me fill this form here. Let the person's name be 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 𝘖𝙗𝙗 and the number and the contact details. Now I'm clicking on next here and on submit. So you can see the form is successfully submitted here, and we have generated a new lead. So now we are going to see on this WhatsApp account if the person receives the brochure from our side or not. So Facebook lead ads use polling techniques to send the data. So it might take 3 to 4 minutes to reach the message here on WhatsApp account. So we'll wait for 3 to 4 minutes and see if this WhatsApp account receives the brochure of this antiques collection or not. So you can see we have received a new message here on WhatsApp. Let's check. So this is the message. It is saying, "Hello 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, thank you for showing your interest in antique store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our antiques collection." So this is the link of the brochure. Let us see. So this is a kind of brochure that is attached with this message. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of this message or attaching of this link, just by filling this lead ad forms here and submitting the form, and this WhatsApp account receives a message. So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Facebook lead ad and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect. And second step is to collect the data from Facebook lead ad form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we are going to generate a new lead by filling the lead ad form and capture the data of that lead here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the brochure to Facebook lead on WhatsApp via 360 Dialog. So finally, we are going to send the brochure of our shop to the lead we have generated and the data of whom we captured here in Pabbly Connect on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application, which is 360 Dialog. So I will tell you what 360 Dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Okay, now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already make one, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. So from this all apps section of Pabbly, come here on Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create workflows, you have to click here on a create workflow button. And here you have to enter a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name. So I have filled the name as Antiques Shop Brochure to Facebook Leads on WhatsApp. Alright, now I'm going to click on create here. And when your workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new Facebook lead ad generated, and the action would be to send the antique shop's brochure to the WhatsApp account of that lead. Okay, so first of all, you have to click on this trigger window, and from this choose app, choose your application as Facebook lead ads. So after this, click on this trigger event and select new lead option, and then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So you can see the authorization is successful and it starts showing connected. That means we are connected with our Facebook lead ad. Now it is asking for the page's name and the lead generation form's name. So when you click here, you will find a list of all the pages that you have created for different reasons. So these are my pages. And the page I want to connect is this antiques collection page. So I'll find this page here in this list when I search for it. So antiques, this is it, antiques collection. Okay, after selecting the page, that lead generation form is selected automatically because we have already one ad form attached with this page. So you can see we have this antiques collection form attached with antiques collection page. So you need not to select this. There is only one option here. Okay, now it is time. So we are connected with the Facebook lead ad. Now it is time to bring the data of the new lead here in Pabbly Connect. So when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the most recent lead get captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'll show you how. I'll generate a new lead for you and show you how it is going to be done. So I am opening our form again, and let us generate a new lead, and the name, let the name be Zoya Khan. Okay, now I'm submitting this. So you can see the form is submitted here and we have generated a new lead. Now let's capture the data of this lead here. I'm clicking on save and send test request. So you can see the data is captured here like this. Okay, so the data is same that we have filled in the lead ad form. So our two steps are completed. One is to connect the Facebook lead ad, and second is to capture the data. Now it is time for our next step. So let me show you this. So our next and the final step is send the brochure to Facebook lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so the data of the lead that we have captured here in Pabbly Connect, we are going to send him the brochure of our shop on the WhatsApp account, and to do this we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on the section window, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360 WhatsApp by 360 dialog, this one. Okay, now you guys are wondering why I am using this application. So actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, one must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 Dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly and easily. So after selecting this application, click on the section event and select send template message. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection if you are making this connection with 360 Dialog for the first time. Or if you have made the connection with 360 Dialog in a different workflow before, you can use choose existing connection option also. So let me first show you how to make the connection for the first time. So when you choose add new connection, it will ask for this API key and the domain name. So to get an API key, you have to go to your 360 Dialog account and move to WhatsApp's account page and generate a key. So let me show you this process. So I am here in my 360 account, and you can also set up your 360 Dialog account. And to do that, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 Dialog in very affordable prices. Right? Here I am going to click on this WhatsApp accounts page. And here you can see we have this button called as generate API key. So by clicking on this generate API key button, you can generate your own key, then copy that key and paste it here in this API key field, right? And in the domain name, you will get the domain name while generating the API key, and that will look like this link. So generally the domain is this only, so you can paste this same link here, or you will get the link while generating the key. So paste the link here. So after pasting these two things, you just have to click on save and your connection will be made, right? So this process of generating the API key is one-time task only. Once you generate a key, you can use the same key to make connection with Pabbly Connect afterwards, right? So as I have already made a connection before with 360 Dialog, I'm going to choose this option, which is choose existing connection, and I'm going to click on save here. And you can see it started showing connected. That means we are connected with 360 Dialog, right? Now it is asking for the templates. So let me first tell you what templates are. So I am going to my 360 Dialog account again, and here I am clicking on this manage templates button, and you can see we have all these templates here. So what are these? Let me open one for you. So this is one typical template we have. So these templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp. Okay, so to prevent spamming on WhatsApp, you have to create message templates here in 360 Dialog first, then you can use them. So to create a template, click here on add template button, and from here put a name to your template, select the category of your template, select the language of your template in which you want to send the message, and select the template's type. Then click on this body field, and here you have to type the main message that you want to send. After this, click on preview and submit button and submit your template. So after submitting your template, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template. So the standard time of template approval, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours. But in real time, it takes only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours to get a template approved. So when your template got approved, you can use them to send messages on WhatsApp. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use. So I'm using a template here named as send brochure final template. So this is it, send brochure final. So this is the list you have seen. this is the list of all the approved templates I have, and from this list I'm selecting the template which is this send brochure final. So after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled up, and after this you have to enter this recipient's mobile number. Okay, so you have to fill here the mobile number of the person to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message, and we are going to send the message to Zoya Khan, which is our lead. So to get her number mapped here, you have to click here on this field, click on Facebook lead ads option and map this number from here only, like this. Okay. After this, it is asking for these body fields 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these things? Let me show you the template here in 360 Dialog. So this is our template, and in the message you can see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in double curly braces. So these are the body fields of the message or the variables of the message. So you can see these body fields, as you can see, after hello we are going to put the name of the lead, so that can change with every new message. And here, thank you for showing your interest in. So if you have more than one business page, the name of the business page can change. Okay, the services which you are going to offer can change if you have more than one services. So these are the things which needs to be changed with every new message that we are going to send. So to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values of these fields here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us do this. So in the first body field, I am going to map the name of the person. So I am clicking here and clicking on Facebook lead ads, and I am mapping the person's name like this. Okay, and in the second body field, so for just like this, you can map all other body fields also, as you can see in this body field 4. Let us see. So in the body field 4, we are going to enter the link of the brochure that we want to send. So to do that, see, this is my brochure in my drive, and here I'm going to click on this icon and click on share option, and this get link option will appear, and from here I'm going to click on copy link. Okay, now I'm going to paste this link in this fourth body field like this. So like this, you can enter all other body fields required. Let me fill them. So I have filled the all the required details here in these body fields. Now when I click here on save and send test request, these details will be delivered on this WhatsApp account of the person according to the template we have in 360 Dialog. So let me click here on save and send test request. So you can see it started showing this type of response here, and we have also received a new message in WhatsApp. Let's check. Okay, so the message is this. It is saying, hello Zoya Khan, thank you for showing your interest in AJ Antiques collection. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure, and you can see in the place of body fields, we have the name and the collection, antiques collections, shop's name, and the link of the brochure also. Let me show you the brochure's link. So you can see we have the same brochure that we have attached, and all the body fields automatically filled according to the data that we have mapped here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so the connection is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected the application as Facebook lead ads. Then we captured the data of the Facebook lead ad by generating another lead here like this. Then we connected in this section window 360 Dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp. We selected our template and filled and mapped the required details we needed for the message to get delivered. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen the message is here, right? Now the workflow is completed. Click on save. Alright, so let me tell you one more important thing. That is, you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks with every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instant. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.